I realized why I couldn't translate or I couldn't stay present enough to listen to Emmy's what she had to share. And I realized I've been holding my somatic shit in for the last 37 minutes. And I've been trying not to show it. It felt like pressure here, like it was trying to come up, and I was trying to act like a normal human while not letting it show. And now my heart's beating faster, and I can feel my voice a little shaky, and I can feel the wind. It's actually kind of cool rather than hot in here. But yeah, don't hold your shit in. You're getting hot now.
But notice the beauty of it. Like if there is no control, and because we are alive, we have a lightness in us, and it has to be expressed in some way. And then when we are punished, then we learn to hold it back. And that actually is what is the beginning of hysteria. Oh, I needed to be alive and express myself. No, you can't. And then, wait, but I need to. No, you can't. That's the punishment. But hysteria is really, it's always a behavior. Usually it's some kind of behavior. So it can be that, oh yes, like that's it, going back to when I was running around the property, I feel like I really need to go out and chop trees. And then if I had been able to hold myself back, then I would have to be feeling very uncomfortable with myself. Something original to my person, you know. I would have to experience it, and maybe probably give it a different form of expression, you know, maybe an expression of pain or grief. Sadness is also an expression because there will be some kind of a motor reflex. Even if it's not visible to others, it will be internal. But there always needs to be an expression, because our vitality cannot be contained. When we do it, we become hysterical. But then we forget about the original condition, the essential need to be alive and express. And then we give way only to the hysterical part of it, which is the cover-up. That's the cover-up for the original. So when you are there holding your shit together and then you realize it and stop, what happens? Tell us more.
It's almost like a candy with many layers. At the beginning, there was like a numbness, but also, essence, like it was begging to be expressed or just to leave this layer. And then the one that I can feel now, it's a little bit more like a rumbling. And it also has notes of the confusion machine. It spins me fast, so I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I mean, you notice the increased heart rate, that sympathetic activation. But we need sympathetic activation to express, right? So that's the discomfort that nobody wants to face. Why? I'm going to be excited about whatever is going on. But then we modulate it through ventral circuits, and we relate to it, and then we are safe with others, we are safe with ourselves. Then it is safe to express. But if the sympathetic becomes dorsal again, then the energy needs to be conserved and bottled down, and there's a threat connected with it. It's not safe, you see. And what you're describing is what everybody goes through, because all the nervous systems are the same patterns. But aren't you in your expression, and you find all the beautiful details to share with us? Isn't your expression actually a form of perception? Your behavior is helping you to perceive, isn't it?
Me perdí. It's spinning me so fast.
Okay, well, right now as it spins you around, reorient to whatever feels safe to you. Whether it be that we're here with you, your cat is there, your body is sitting, there's a cool breeze, anything that helps you to come back. Even a simple gesture like removing the glasses for a moment and like I don't have to control it by seeing everything, you know.
The cat's being naughty.
Let the cat be naughty. The cat is expressing itself. It is not subject to being hysterical.
It's like not letting me relax.
What is the cat's name?
Just, I guess she's bored.
What's the cat's name?
Same.
Sane?
Ah. Oh, that made me sweat.
Yes. You see, it is an expression. Sweating is an expression. It's a mobilization of energy. And you, just by allowing yourself to remain there, you're just going through exactly what Emmy was just mentioning. You know, can I just stay with the experience? And let your body do whatever it needs to express.
So it feels like my pores are growing. Come on, I'm letting more sweat out, and I can feel the environment more.
Yeah. Yeah. Coming more and more in contact with the lightness.
I remember the moment where it started spinning me faster was when I felt like a disgust that made my skin crawl. And instead of feeling it, just spun me.
But whatever we face in any given moment, we naturally learn that it's not actually a threat. Oh, before I didn't even know that was a threat, but now I see that it is a threat. But now I faced it and I see that it's not a threat. I'm safe. I'm alive.
And it also feels like blacking out on stage. Like, I don't know if
yes.
I just go through that.
I know the experience.
And then I come back, I come to, and then I'm like, oh, I'm on stage right now. Like, people are listening to me.
Yes. What is it like to know that?
Oh, there's like a clearing right here. It was like really tight and it's just I don't know, I'm open. I can breathe now.
Yes.
I think I was breathing before.
You see, it's we need to go through the noticing, acknowledging, and welcoming. There's a noticing, the acknowledging, and then the welcoming almost happens by itself. But if we do not notice and acknowledge, oh yes, oh the cat is doing that. Oh, the cat is doing that. Wow, that means this, you know, and then you welcome it. Just coming back to our sanity. Then the confusion machine has less and less power. Because you're literally draining the power that it has. It's an appliance and you're unplugging it, and then it has no power.
You're spinning a little bit. No? Well, I want you to unplug it.
Let it spin, but you just notice it and acknowledge it. See what it is doing, and then it will know. It cannot help. It is going to know that you know that it is there, and then immediately it will stop. Because the only reason we have all these afflictions and machines and whatever is because they were generated at a time when I was not able to be there. It was not safe. I couldn't be there with the experience. So then they had to show up to protect me, to defend me.
this last thing you shared, it felt like you grab like one of those brushes with butter, and then you hit this side, and I feel the wind more.
A basting.
Yeah.
A basting brush.